Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons with mayonnaise and how to fix it when it goes wrong. So there's the ingredients there. It really isn't very many, and make your own mayonnaise, everybody. So this is a technique I really like. A tea towel and a saucepan, with a tea towel draped over the saucepan as well, will provide a really secure base to put your bowl, which then won't wobble as you're trying to whisk it all over the table. So that technique is great. Now obviously if you have a stand mixer with a whisk, use that, but this is for the people out there that don't have that. So here we go. Egg yolks in. That was some white wine vinegar. You could use lemon juice if you like, and Dijon mustard in was my choice, but mustard of your choice, whatever. And the oil of your choice. Now I'm trying to use cold pressed oils like avocado oil, olive oil, that sort of thing, because it's a lot better for you. But whatever oil you're using, add it in very, very slowly, a tiny trickle, whilst you continually whisk. Do not stop whisking, and be quite vigorous with the whisking. It's a bit of a workout for you, and you'll see as you get further along, as this mixture emulsifies properly and it gets quite viscous, quite thick, you can add the oil in a bit more quickly. And that's that done. And the recipe will be in the description below, but don't worry about the recipe too much. If you find yours is a bit thinner than you want it to be, add more oil and it will get thicker. There you go. So season to taste with salt and pepper, and there we go. Successful mayonnaise. Let's see how it goes wrong, shall we? So similar process, but oh no, I'm adding the oil a bit too quickly, and I'm not really stirring quite vigorously enough. And whoopsie! What have I gone and done? What a clumsy clot! I've gone and split. I've gone and broken my mayonnaise. Damn! What are we going to do now? Well, another egg yolk in a bowl, and reserve the broken, that's what they call it, broken mayonnaise, broken sauce. A tiny splash of cold water into the egg, and very slowly, very deliberately, little bits of the broken sauce at a time. Don't stop whisking. Do not stop whisking, and you'll get there. You see that? And so you'll see the process as before. It will come back together, I promise you. So there you go. This is another one of these old videos I made on YouTube, and I thought, well, let's recreate it, let's re-edit it, and make it shorter, and specifically for Rumble, because I love Rumble so much. And at the end of that, there, season that to taste again, and there you go, mayonnaise. Thank you very much for watching Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons. See you again really soon. Goodbye.